Welcome back. It's the start of college planning season, and our friends at Hawaii P20 are ready to support local families with a series of upcoming events.
And we're joined by Lauren Fruto, the College Transition Support Coordinator for Hawaii P20. Welcome back, sis.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yay.
It's great to be back.
You guys are so helpful, and we thank you guys so much for helping our viewers and even us sometimes when we're trying to fill out the FAFSA. Of course, we're getting everybody ready for it. So I just got to ask you, is it FAFSA or is it FAFSA?
It is FAFSA. Yeah, Leviosa. Free application for federal student aid. Yeah, FAFSA.
Okay.
FAFSA.
FAFSA, because sometimes we hear people say FAFSA, but it's FAFSA. All right, you nailed the first question. So what else should we know about FAFSA?
Well, it's open right now for the beta testing. However, on October 1st is when it's going to be the first official release launch of the free application for federal student aid. And we are doing free financial aid webinars every Wednesday from 6 to 7:30, right from your phone or from your laptop, from your home. We'll be on there to answer all your questions about the process.
That's so cool.
Yes, you folks really are going the extra mile, I think, to make sure that families can grab as much money as they can. The money that's on the table, to grab it. In regards to these webinars, what can we do to prepare before we jump on these webinars? Because it's every Wednesday, is that correct?
That's correct. So you can get started right now by just creating your FSA ID for your student and your parent. But if you have certain questions on how to get that process started, that's what our webinars are for. We do recommend that you register at collegeswithinreachhawaii.com before, just so you can get our updates to make sure you're signing on correctly, you get the Zoom link, all that good stuff.
Okay, and what time are the webinars?
6 to 7:30 p.m.
Oh, nice, on Wednesdays.
Every Wednesday.
So helpful. Now, Laura, what if our viewers are still have questions? How can they reach out to you guys if they just need maybe help turning on the computer?
Yep, of course. So you can email us at FAFSA@hawaii.edu. That's FAFSA, FAFSA. So somebody will definitely get back to you within 24 hours if you have any technical questions, or if you're on our webinars and something comes up later throughout the financial aid process, we're here to help.
What is the number one question that parents or students ask?
Oh, that's a good one, actually. We get a lot of how do I know if I qualify, or how do I know if I'll get anything? And our best answer that we can say is, just try anyways. You never know what you're going to get until you submit that application and go from there. And there's literally millions and millions of dollars out there. So we want you guys to take advantage of that and get other people to pay for you guys to go to college.
Yeah, I love that.
That's tricky. I like saying that. So, somebody else paid for my degree.
And I love the fact that you guys are helping us out in so many different ways. And I understand that the federal government is also making the process online easier for us as well.
That's correct, yeah. So in prior years, it used to be pen and paper, but now it's all digital, all online, and it goes by really fast. I've had people tell me they've submitted their FAFSA within 20 minutes, and that's like a huge deal than in prior years. Yeah, so just try, and if you get stuck, we're here to help.
Beautiful. Lauren Fruto, she's our Hawaii P20 Partnerships for Education. We thank you so much, sister. Thank you so much for, just kind of alleviating the stress, the anxiety that comes from filling this out. This is very calming for us. And all we got to do is just get to it, right?
Yes. We've all been there, so we're here to help.
Mahalo, sis.
Thank you.